very similar. The road winding, left and right, zigzag, and on the sides everywhere pine trees. Yeah, near the park. Yeah, near the park.
Why are we doing this?
Did
you want to see?
Baby.
Village. This is the village.
Oh yeah, you were teaching me
This
the
is the additional parking.
No, we made up our own one. You'll see.
No, put your puffer jacket on, okay?
My puffer
McDonald's
jacket?
is there.
Yeah, it's cold.
Big on bears. Cold. Should I charge you though?
Okay, well, ciao, guys.
Happy Saturday, everyone. We are at the Arrowhead Lake. Lake Arrowhead, right? So this is how it looks like on Saturday, January 3rd, 2026. Look, lots of ducks. The small one, black one. All right, here we go. Maybe like hundreds, right? Ducks, black one. And very cloudy, very foggy day, rainy day in Lake Arrowhead. We're on the way to Big Bear for 3 days vacation with my daughter and her friends. This is how the backside of the market, the village in Lake Arrowhead looks like. The Arrowhead store. I'm right in front of souvenir store here. And the flowers. And this is how it looks like. All right. Yeah. Good morning. Happy Monday. We are at Lake Arrowhead Village. It's around 11 a.m. in the morning, Monday morning. Kind of slow. Just starting to fill in people. Finally, we got a break. The weather looks, not bad. It was raining like whole 2 days, everywhere. Big Bear Lake, Lake Arrowhead, everywhere's rain. Today the weather looks a little better. The sun, we saw the sun's, rise. And here's the market. This is the shopping kind of, center for Lake Arrowhead. You can see there, papaya guys. Ciao. Happy Monday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. We are at Lake Arrowhead. Monday morning, the weather is chill.
No, it's not.
It's freezing, right? It's supposed to be, right? Beautiful, spectacular day. We had like all the soggy weather for 2 days. Big Bear Lake. We did the ski and that kind of stuff for the kids. We are at the Lake Arrowhead where we were staying for 3 nights, and 11 a.m. people are just coming to the village. This is called the village for Lake Arrowhead. Shopping center kind of stuff near the lake. Beautiful, beautiful freezing weather. I love it. All right, so everybody have a great week ahead. Okay, we are playing cards. Pair cards, 5 cards.
This is serious casino.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
serious.
round, no laughing, no saying, no sound effects, no nothing.
And you can't
No
even help. You
expression.
can't even help.
No helping, no talking. Like, no talking at all.
Okay, seriously, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Only facial expressions.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ew.
All right, shuffle, 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 shuffle. Oh, oh.
Your card.
No, it's okay. I have a choice. Just throw everything first.
Did you see that?
I have a choice whether I want the card or I can return it.
Yeah.
It's my choice.
Okay.
But I'll take it. The sequoia trees. Very, very tall tree. Oh man, all the way. You see there? Woo! Crazy. Yeah. Sequoia tree. Everywhere. Yeah, it says here. And Hank Stewart Memorial Sequoia Bloom. Yeah. This is how it looks like. Forest, national forest. Wow, beautiful. Monday morning. It's not morning, like around 1:30 p.m. It's all sequoia tree everywhere. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. We are at the Hip Peak Arboretum, hiking the trail. It's such a beautiful day. The sun is here, as you can see. All trail is so beautiful. Huh? And there's a small creek here. So cute. See, Joe's Creek.
Don't push. No push. No push. No push.
All right. Ciao.